What's up, guys? So welcome back to your daily entertainment gossip show right here on Odate GH TV. Yes, so as I always say, if you're new here and you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly do me the honors by subscribing to this channel below, and also click on the bell icon right next to the subscribe button so that anytime I drop a new content, you will be the first to be notified. Yeah, so today's gossip has to do with Eugene Osafo Nkansah and his wife. Okay, so Eugene Osafo Nkansah is probably known as Nkonkonsa in the blogosphere, or let me say in the blogging space. And as you already know, or if you don't know, his name popped up in Abena Korkor's list. And guys, it has been dirty, okay, because instead of Eugene quickly reacting, he actually went mute, and Abena Korkor also, you know, added more fuel to the fire, leaking conversations of Eugene wanting to lick her, a whole lot of it. After licking her, Eugene wanted to lick again and all that. And guys, the whole ridicule was about Nkonkonsa's wife. In quotes, she was looking stupid in the whole conversation, because it's like, why is your husband not doing that for you and going to do that for another lady and all that? You get it? So Eugene has gone mute, but then lo and behold, finally, after Abena Korkor, you know, leaked the chat and also added more fuel to the whole conversation. Today, marking the second anniversary of Eugene Osafo Nkansah and his wife Victoria Lebene, he has written a long post, okay? It was apologetic and also lovely, romantic and all. I mean, he's at fault and he doesn't have any option than to do this on their second wedding anniversary. So guys, let me read what Eugene Osafo Nkansah wrote to his lovely wife. Yes, so he wrote, "So many things were said after our marriage, and I am ashamed and disappointed in myself for everything that has happened in the past few days. I am strong in the midst of all this because of only one person in my life. My powerful wife, Victoria Lebene Mekpa, now Mrs. Osafo Nkansah. I was single and wasn't finding real love. I never knew I would find a permanent place in the heart of one woman. But guess what? I chose to marry the forever beautiful Victoria Lebene. Some said I married a slave queen. Some said I like big ass, so it will never work. And some said I was too broke to marry her, but she came in and changed everything that was said. I stand here today to celebrate a virtuous woman for changing me and every perception surrounding me. What a time to celebrate a wedding anniversary. I'm facing the biggest public shame ever in my life. But in the midst of the shame, the public ridicule, the insults, the trolls, and the judgments, there is only one woman who has found the courage to stand by me and doing everything as a wife. Today, I proudly celebrate you, Miss Nkansah. Mrs. Nkansah, if this is not an angel, then I don't know who she is. If this is not every man's dream, then I don't know what men want. I celebrate you as a symbol of hope that there is still some good, beautiful, hardworking, faithful young woman out there. Please remember my wife in your prayers because she needs it now more than ever. Happy anniversary, Victoria. I love you now, and I'll always love Victoria Lebene from Eugene Osafo Nkansah to my wife, Mrs. Victoria Osafo Nkansah." Yeah, guys, so this is, you know, the letter, or let me say the message, or however you want to put it, from Eugene Osafo Nkansah, aka Mr. Liquor, or let me say Nkonkonsa, to, you know, his wife Victoria Lebene. Guys, what is your take on it? I mean, I've read the whole conversation. I guess you also follow along. What is your comment, opinion? What advice do you have to give to Eugene Osafo Nkansah? What advice do you also have to give to his wife Victoria Lebene? And all, just share your opinion, thoughts with me in the comment section below. I'll be monitoring and also responding to you guys as well. Yes, so guys, all too soon we've come to the end of the daily entertainment gossip show right here on Odate GH TV. If you like this particular video, give this video a thumbs up, and also share this video with your friends and loved ones. And also don't forget, also follow me on all social media platforms at Odate_GH. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's peace.